Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the Marvel Studios The Infinity Saga ZD Toys 110 Scale Iron Man Mark 40, also known as Shotgun. So, if you want to get this, punta lang kayo sa laruanan mga ma'am, sir. Since 2018, Laruanan on Facebook. Pumunta lang kayo sa Laruanan if you want to get this awesome action figure. Marami pang slots na available. So kung gusto niyo makabili, punta lang kayo sa Laruanan on Facebook. Thank you very much Laruanan for sponsoring this video. And binigay niya sa atin tong copy para ma-review natin. Okay? Okay, this is the front of the box. Marvel Studios, the Infinity Saga logo, Marvel logo, ZD Toys logo, 110 scale logo, 110 scale na text. Marvel Studios Iron Man 3 logo, XL Mark 40 sa side. You have the Disney logo and Zongdong Toys. Ang ibig sabihin ng ZD Toys ay Zongdong Toys. Tapos meron kang Disney logo dito. Ibig sabihin ang product na to ay original and authentic. Hindi siya fake, hindi siya KO, hindi siya bootleg. Tapos sa likod, shot of the shotgun, front and back, and other accessories. And barcode, QR code. Tapos sa gilid, Iron Man 3, Marvel Studios, and copyright. Okay? So, magnetic yung flap niya sa left side. Tapos pag binuksan nyo, sa first tray nandito yung action figure, and sa second tray nandun naman lahat ng accessories. So ito na si Iron Man Mark 40 out of the box. Super nice. Very sturdy. Meron siyang mga accessories. Yung mga repulsor blast effects. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a lot of hands. So meron kang open palm, close fist, and repulsor blast na hands. Meron ding hexagonal base na merong Marvel Studios Iron Man 3 na logo. And you have the pole. Spring-loaded yung pole para pwede nyo i-clip si Iron Man for dynamic poses such as these. Alright, one thing to note before we review the overall figure, ito ang kanyang shades. Removable yung shades niya, kaya ingat kayo dito kasi baka mawala. Okay? Pero nakiklip naman siya and very secure naman to. Okay? So pag pinapost niyo lang siya, be very mindful na natatanggal yung kanyang shades. Okay? Ayan. Alright, kakabit lang natin siya. Overall, it has a very nice paint job. Actually, ZD Toys, sobrang galing nila sa paint job. It's a very metallic. Yung silver niya parang nasa satin finish. Hindi siya yung super ultra glossy. Hindi siya chrome, pero satin yung finish niya. And also the grayish blues, it's very nice. Grabe, ang ganda ng pagka-reflective, hindi siya super glossy. It's a metallic na finish. Tapos yung mga maliliit na decals, meron din dito like caution marks, stripes, lines, you have the rectangles, strokes. Super cool na decal na application. Okay, let's start with the head. Yung head niya, meron siyang shades, and removable yan. Tapos dito sa may shoulders, meron siyang mga deeper parts. I think this is for exhaust or boost. Tapos sa chest part, dito yung kanyang arc reactor. It's a rectangular arc reactor. Tapos triangular yung kanyang chest armor. Then you have the stomach area. Tapos yung kanyang shoulder armor. Very angular yung scheme ng design ng suit pati dito sa likod. Look at the back. Meron siyang malaking triangular na booster dito. Can this move? Pwede ba ma-remove to? Hindi ata. Astig ng mga mechanical na section sa loob ng arms or shoulders. Pati yun. Sobrang liliit na niyan. Pero nagagawa pa rin ni ZD Toys yung mga mas maliliit na sculpt. Okay, pati dito sa legs. Look at that section here. Pati dito. Very nice. Pati yung legs niya, very angular in design. Okay. Pati yung knees and the shape of the boosters here sa my legs. So yun yun yung scheme dito sa armor na to. Meron ding yung feet niya. Ganda rin ng pagkaka-design din dito. Very mechanical. Super nice na addition ng decals din dito kasi yun ang gusto ko rin sa mga Gunpla or sa Gundam. Kapag naglalagay sila ng mga decals, usually mas nama-maximize yung mga spaces. Kunwari dito, malaki yung mga neutral na space. Pwede natin lagyan ng decals for additional visual contrast or uh, kumbaga parang nga, nama-maximize yung mga parts na yun. Okay, for more information about the Iron Man Mark 40, pumunta ako sa wiki na Mark 40. Ang sabi dito, the Mark 40, also known as shotgun, is a hyper-velocity traveling suit and was one of several new Iron Man armors created by Tony Stark as part of the Iron Legion. The armor was created sometime between the Battle of New York and Mandarin threats. It was featured in Iron Man 3 and made its debut when Tony ordered Jarvis to initiate the house party protocol. Okay, the suit was named Shotgun due to its explosive sound it creates, like a real shotgun itself when breaking the sound barrier while in flight. The armor was built for hypervelocity traveling and specializes in high-speed flights. It is currently known as the fastest hypervelocity armor among Tony's armor arsenal, with a speed of over the excess of Mach 5. So yan, marami kayong information na malalaman tungkol dito if you go to the wiki page. Okay? So for articulation, head up, uy, tanggal. Up, down, 360. Can you do 360? Yes, pwede. Left and right. Okay. Tapos extend the torso, stretch and ab crunch. Okay, side to side movement. Tapos extend yung arms. You can also push it in. Extend 360. Tapos merong twist, may swivel. You can also move the shoulder away for uh, a larger range of motion. Tapos double jointed ba to? Yes, double jointed na elbow and ball joint yung kamay. Tapos sa paa naman, you can extend you can pull it down for additional range of motion. Pwede nyo rin iangat itong part na to. Wait lang. Alright, you can pull this down, up. Okay. Mayroon din ito leg swivel or rotation, up. Pwede siyang sumipa ng ganito. Dahan-dahan lang kasi baka magkaroon ng paint chip. Okay. Tapos, okay, back. Tapos double jointed knee and ball joint yung paa. Okay. Alright, overall, this is a very, very nice addition sa inyong Iron Man collection. Kung nagko-collect kayo ng ZD Toys or kumpleto nyo yung house party protocol na armors, you should definitely get one of these. Okay? So, pumunta lang kayo sa Laruanan on Facebook if you want to get one. Mag-send lang kayo ng message sa kanya for inquiries about this item. Okay? Again, thank you very much, Laruanan, for sponsoring this video. Alright, thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!